guys, this is Braille Skateboarding. We're at Woodward Camp. I'm Will Cortez. This is Nigel Jones. We are about to hit the mini ramp. We're about to do a couple different things, know what I'm saying?
Mini ramp? We're hitting a mini ramp? Take me to the mini ramp. I'd love to do that.
This is my mini ramp. What do you mean? I hit this no pad, son.
I'm gonna hit this no pad.
No pads. Well, whatever. We're hitting the mini mega here at Woodward East. We're gonna do a couple different things here. We're gonna go on a bike. We might do a roll-in. We're gonna do the mini mega gap.
We're gonna figure some things out.
So watch this and comment like what you want to see on this thing. Like we're gonna be coming back here. So
it's been like I don't even know how long since we went to Bob's house. And that was the last time I did one of these big boys. Terrifying. So I haven't done one since. So that's where we're gonna start. Well, check the wind, and then try and do some senders on
the big boy.
On the big boy.
Cool.
And then, if anything, grab a bike. I said earlier I wanted to try this on the bike. He's been wanting to try it on the bike, so.
All right, let's get it.
I really want to try it on the bike.
Hey, how's the air up there?
Hey, this is way scarier than Bob's.
What do you mean?
Hey, Bob's was bigger, but his was more mellow. This is death. I'm gonna throw up if I get to the edge. I'm scared. I don't think I'm a rolling on this, but I for sure think I would roll in on Bob's.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
Woo!
You know what? This is actually pretty big.
Does he want it? Does he want it?
This is actually pretty big.
Except for this.
All right.
With no pads on, no helmet.
That was actually like kind of terrifying. Why did you make this look so easy? I'm so scared to stand on this.
You want a pinky?
Yeah. No! Oh my God, no! Dude! Hey, I don't know how anybody 50-50s this, 5-0s this, none of that.
Nigel, do it.
All right, yeah, no, I'm gonna do another one, and then we're going over there, cause that's like, I don't want to die today. Woo! I hesitated. Don't hesitate. All right, we might have to think about the bike thing.
All right.
I'm remembering that there's a roll-in up there. It's pretty terrifying.
We're gonna sand this thing. Let's get it.
It's kind of windy,
It's
so.
getting really windy.
It's getting really windy. I don't want to push it too much.
Not just like a bird, he'll float away.
I'm gonna fly away up here. I got a crazy idea. I just want to do that and land on the knuckle.
So this might look kind of small, but like backside 180, he's gonna go down this thing fakie, and fakie is no joke. No joke. You're riding the opposite way. It's not fake, it's switch. You're riding down switch, and that is no joke.
That's too big. I have a tiny head. You're not gonna find a helmet that fits me. You're not gonna find a helmet that fits me.
Keep your hat on.
Beanie?
Keep your hat on.
Beanie to go between?
Even with the hat on,
XL.
like it's like sketch-ish.
The helmet's like hella tight on it. Nigel, here, take the beanie off. Put on your hat.
Why?
It'll provide like cushion.
I offer. It is windy. Send a couple more. We'll figure it out. Let me send another one.
Your front side.
Front side 180?
on backside.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the backside.
You have the front side on Vert.
Let me send one.
All the way?
One back three.
Yeah, do it.
Oh my god! That was so much easier.
That's it. Don't extend your legs now.
There's problems. There's lots of problems.
I'm getting nervous now.
I just want you guys to know, whatever you take away from this video, go have fun. I'll have to go right.
Oh, okay.
Corner too.
What?
A little air on the corner too.
Oh, that was scary. Okay, I think I can clear at least that knuckle like better without touching my foot. Okay, that first like initial drop though was like, okay, now I'm over it.
Yeah, well.
Oh, it's so sick. Okay, I think I can go farther than that.
Nobody tried 2 or 3. Even if it's just going in. I think I'm gonna have to try. I think I'm gonna have to. Hey, that's a sender right there.
How was that?
That was sick.
Did I make it all the way?
I think so. I think so.
Let's go! Woo! I think I got it.
That was
Dude,
sick.
I'm so hyped.
Pretty tired of walking up there. That's like. How does. Oh, Bob has like electric bikes and stuff. Oh my god!
And that's where I call it quits. Run out. He ran out from about 17 feet high.
Got it.
That's insane.
How did you
That's
run
so
out
much
of that?
pressure to your knees.
I don't know. It feels more comfortable than sliding, if I'm being honest.
Alright guys, we made it to the end of the tunnel where the light is so bright. We did drop-ins, we did the gap. We did the gap on a bike. Man, what else we do, Nigel?
We tried some tricks. We had some fun. Did some airs. I mean, we kind of cut it short because it's very windy out here, so we don't want to go too ham, but we also want to have fun, show you guys that we're out here living it, and that's what it's all about.
Living the dream. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We got some videos to our left right here. And if you guys need anything, absolutely anything, please go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got it all for you. Anything you need. But anyways, guys, we'll see you next time. Later. We're out.